If you're dreaming about owning a new home, there are a few things that you should know. So, without further ado, here are a few simple steps in making that dream come true. First things first, do you have land and are you ready to build on that land? If you do, you then need to visit your financial institutions such as the bank or TTMF so you can find out how much money you'd be able to qualify for. You then find a house that fits your budget. If you need both house and land, then find the land first, purchase it, and then you'll know what you have in order to build a house. Only then can you have drawings done in accordance with your availabilities of funds. You then apply to Town and Country for approvals. This process can take a minimum of 8 months to get approved before you can go to the financial institutions of your choice. The process with the financial institution takes a minimum of 2 months at this time. You'll then have to pay for all the fees, for example, valuation, quantity surveyor lawyers, and things of that nature. And that's it. Soon you'll be the proud owner of your new home. And when you're ready, be sure to contact Docs Homes Limited, where houses live.